Hey guys, Greg here, CEO, Bone Tactical, and today I am going to share with you, show you, and tell you about the knife that changed the EDC world forever. The knife that really brought the first available, budget-friendly, do-it-all, everyday carry, effective edged weapon, okay? And that is the EDC Relentless. You guys are probably familiar with it by now. So many people have them by now, and they've really just made their rounds through the community of guys who know that really I kind of just am sharing these videos now for the purposes of education and trying to kind of broaden the spectrum a little bit. And there's a lot of people out there who may not be as up to date with, you know, tactical innovations as they could be. A lot of people like myself who don't have time, a lot of free time to maybe, you know, revise different sources of, you know, keeping up with who has the best top gear, or I just happen to be in this line of work and I happen to be in this field. So, you know, I use this gear every day, and I'm, you know, overseas testing and designing, and I'm at the forefront of it. I really like to take the time to be able to share stuff like this with you guys. And I am wearing the El Sicario covert concealed carry shirt, which allows you to carry weapons completely undetectably by the naked eye or any kind of scanning equipment that is looking for a visual impression that we call printing. So we have really kind of killed two birds with one stone, not only printing, but now the whole gray man idea. This goes hand in hand with the gray man idea. You don't look like you're a military or weapons enthusiast, and then it allows you to have weapons and allows them to not print through the clothing. So I'll share with you guys the neck carry version first of the EDC Relentless. Really quickly, injection molded handle, crazy grippy texture here. It's got like a grenade pattern, crazy grippiness all the way around, 100% coated in this crazy grippy pattern. It's the fastest knife to access in the world because it's fully ambidextrous. So that means all I have to do is grab it any kind of way, either hand, any way I want to grab it. It just hangs there, ready to grab, and it's already in the perfect position. This just incredible, absolutely incredible design. Ambidextrous, crazy. It has this choil area here with super grip, so grab it with my right hand, grab it with my left hand, it's in the perfect position. Reverse grip, right hand, reverse grip, left hand, perfect position. Stainless steel blade, so it's not going to rust or really get any kind of damage as long as you take just general guidelines of taking care of it. It's almost impossible to rust as long as you just keep it clean. Maybe throw a light coat of oil on there every once in a while. But you guys can see it's just a beautiful knife. And this one I use kind of almost every day. I usually carry two knives on me. I use one for cutting tasks. I open boxes with this. I cut cords with it. I make these bracelets with it. The bone occlusion bracelet, you guys have seen the videos on these. I cut the cord for those. It's Kevlar. Okay, so I cut Kevlar with this and it's still sharp as could be. That is the neck carry version. Every one comes with this hand sharpened, okay, plastic injection molded, natural skin tone. So if it's up against my skin, it's likely to blend in. Also, it'll blend in a natural environment. But then the chain doesn't scream, I have a gun. It's just a nice, classy stainless steel chain. And everything you see here comes together, handmade sheath, hand sharpened, blade, nice bronze eyelets that are never going to rust as well. Everything's stainless steel, nothing going to rust, nothing going to get damaged. It's just one of those forever knives at only $30. Really almost impossible. Like you guys know, it didn't exist anywhere before I brought it to the market. The next option here that we have, I can show you guys how fast this is to access. I can either grab it in the downward position, okay, just normal grip, or I can also grab it in the reverse position. So if I have my hand like this, I reach down there and grab it as a reverse, all right, ice pick grip, some call it. I love this grip. It's nasty. And if I'm in here fighting like this, I can just really just do a lot of damage, coming and scraping and stabbing and pulling and cutting back, and just lots of nasty damage. I can flip back to that forward hand grip and just really get in there and do a lot of work with this. These IWB clips are sold on the website, but they are awesome. They come made for these sheaths. They clip right on. You only need one screw on here. I usually only put one, but just for the purposes of the display video, I put 2 screws on there, Chicago screws. You really only need one. One is more than enough. They come with this clip. The clip can clip into the waistband of your gym shorts even, and then even if you just clip it into your gym shorts, they catch, okay? This part right here actually catches, so when you go to pull the knife out, the knife pulls out and the sheath stays. Even in gym shorts or even in your pocket, you can use this for pocket carry like you would a folding knife. If you like folding knives but you want something that's faster to access and more reliable, then you can carry this in your pocket as well. You can carry it anywhere on your waistband. You don't have to have a belt on, like I said. This is the IWB OWB clip. It's also available on my website. Really just an innovative product like everything I make. So these are your options. Okay, it comes with the neck chain because that's the easiest way to do it. You can just wake up in the morning all groggy-eyed and throw your neck chain on and go about your business no matter what you're wearing. If you want to get one level up, you can do this, or you can even wear both like I just had on and you couldn't even see. I could have also been carrying a firearm or any level of other stuff with this El Sicario covert concealed carry shirt, and you wouldn't have known that I had anything on me, and I was just supremely and fully equipped. So wanted to kind of share that information with you, and thank you for watching. Again, guys, that's the EDC Relentless. I'll give you guys a discount code. In exchange for your discount code, please like this video and give your opinion, comment below, but the discount code is LT10. You can use LT10 for 10% off. BoneTactical.com. That's www.bonetactical.com. LT10 will get you 10% off any purchase from the website, any and all purchases. There's no limit to that. You can use it for 10% off of $1,000, 10% off of $10,000. It's your choice, guys. Guys, sometimes really, I don't give those codes very much, so sometimes when guys get those codes, they just go to town and buy a lot of stuff. I'm not really doing this to make a profit, guys. I'm doing it to make enough money to keep going and keep designing and innovating and bringing the amazing new products to the tactical industry that nobody else has been able to do, nobody else is doing. Safe to say nobody else can do. That's why I'm in it. That's why I'm doing it. So I appreciate you guys' support. The support is what enables me to keep going. Your likes, your comments, your shares. If you're not getting notifications for my videos, make sure you hit that bell. You don't just have to subscribe to the channel. You got to click that little bell icon that's next to the subscribe button, is what these YouTube guys tell me. Otherwise, they've shadow banned me, which is what it's called, which means that because I have some controversial, I guess, videos, they don't like to show people my videos. So you have to actually go in and you have to subscribe to my channel, then you have to click that little, looks like a little bell, in order to make sure that you get notified when I put videos up. So I appreciate that, guys. Your support is welcome. Your support is appreciated, and that's kind of the exchange process here. I give all this information for free, entertainment for free, and then, you know, you guys support the channel and give me some feedback, and I appreciate that. You guys are my friends. You guys are sitting at my table, eating with me at my table, and that's kind of how we do things around here. One big family. I appreciate you watching. Stay sharp out there, guys. Bone out.